Most obviously we need mugs for mug cake, but since I want a smaller size of mug cake, I am using a small teacup. This recipe is only applicable for mug cake. Now I'm going to add some ghee. You can add melted butter, is basically ghee. I'm just adding ghee because I don't want to melt the butter. Next we're going to add 2 tablespoons of flour to each. Now to this we're adding some sugar. Now next step, I'm adding little bit of baking powder. So next we're adding cocoa powder, milk. So now I'm adding vanilla essence. Mix them well. So guys, you can see how nicely our mug cakes have baked. Nutella is optional. If you want, you can add Nutella. So I'll add Nutella to 1. So guys, as you can see, this one is having Nutella and this one isn't. So softly it came out. You can try this at